Welcome to our kitchen vocabulary video. Meet Maxine, who will show us different kitchen tools and how to use them. Let's start learning with Maxine in the kitchen. Let's start with the cutting board. It's used as a base to cut or chop vegetables and fruits. Let's see how Maxine uses it. She places the vegetables on the cutting board and gets ready to chop them. Next is the peeler. It's used to remove the outer skin of vegetables and fruits. Now, Maxine peels the carrots smoothly with a peeler. Next is the knife. It's used for cutting or chopping vegetables and fruits. Watch how Maxine uses it. She cuts the carrot into thin slices with the knife. Next is the grater. It's used to shred or grate food items into fine pieces. Here, Maxine grates the cheese with a grater for her sandwich. Next is the pot. It's used to cook or boil food items, such as pasta or soup. Now, Maxine cooks the pasta in a large pot. Next is the strainer. It's used to drain water or other liquids from food. Now, Maxine drains the boiled pasta using a strainer. Next is the measuring cup. It's used to measure liquid ingredients accurately. Here, Maxine pours milk into the measuring cup to check the quantity. Next is the measuring spoon. It's used to measure small amounts of ingredients, like sugar or spices. Here, Maxine adds a spoonful of sugar using a measuring spoon. Next is the bowl. It's used to hold or mix ingredients. Now, Maxine cracks an egg into the bowl. Next is the whisk. It's used to beat or mix ingredients smoothly. Here, Maxine whisks the egg with a whisk. Next is the pan. It's used for frying or cooking food. Here, Maxine pours the whisked egg into the pan to make an omelet. Next is the spatula. It's used for flipping, stirring, or spreading food while cooking. Now, Maxine gently flips the omelet in the pan using a spatula. Next is the ladle. It's used for serving soups, stews, or other liquids. Here, Maxine serves the soup into a bowl using a ladle. Next are the tongs. They're used to hold and lift hot food safely. Here, Maxine uses tongs to pick up the grilled vegetables from the pan. Next is the slotted spoon. It's used to lift food out of water or oil, while leaving the liquid behind. Here, Maxine uses a slotted spoon to take out the boiled noodles. Next is the cooking spoon. It's used to stir or mix food while cooking. Here, Maxine uses a cooking spoon to stir the soup. Next is the masher. It's used to press and make soft food smooth. Here, Maxine uses a masher to mash the boiled potatoes. Next is the skimmer. It's used to remove food from hot oil or water while leaving the liquid behind. Now, Maxine uses a skimmer to take the fried snacks from the oil. Next is the rolling pin. It's used to flatten and spread dough before cooking. Here, Maxine rolls out the dough with a rolling pin. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.